Singapore's logistics sector is a critical enabler of our economy and our everyday life. Logistics companies connect suppliers to manufacturers and merchants to consumers, both domestically and internationally. In 2018, the logistics sector contributed 1.4% to Singapore's GDP and had a total employment size of 86,300. Technology adoption is a key enabler for companies to meet their strategic priorities, streamline processes, and move towards manpower-lean remote operations. To help SMEs in their technology adoption journey, the Infocom Media Development Authority, in partnership with Enterprise Singapore and in consultation with trade associations and the industry, have jointly developed the refreshed Logistics Industry Digital Plan, or IDP. This builds on the IDP that was launched in 2017, taking into account the current and the anticipated future needs of companies. The scope of this IDP has also been expanded to cover the air transportation support services, given the similarity with the logistics sector. The IDP is part of the SMEs Go Digital program that makes going digital simple for SMEs. It provides SMEs with an easy-to-use, step-by-step guide on the digital solutions to adopt at each stage of their growth. SMEs can use the digital roadmap in the IDP to find out if their business is digital ready and take steps towards digitalization. SMEs can explore solutions in Stage 1 of the digital roadmap to streamline their operations, enhance their capabilities, and build a strong digital foundation. Stage 2 digital solutions help SMEs to deepen their digital capabilities through data-driven operations and digital collaboration across the sector. Advanced digital solutions in Stage 3 enable SMEs to take it further with intelligent and automated operations. The IDP also includes a digital training roadmap to guide companies in identifying relevant skills and knowledge to enable workers to support the business with digital transformation. To get started, you may assess your company's digital readiness by using the Sme Self-Assessment Checklist, make an appointment with a business advisor at SME Centers for digital advice, or reach out to the Center of Innovation for Supply Chain Management at Republic Polytechnic to develop and strengthen your supply chain and logistics capabilities through process innovation, technology enablement, and capability development. Get started on your digital journey today!